Hello friends, I am going to explain you management skills required to all levels of management. There are three levels of management: top level management, middle level management, and bottom level management, that is called as first line management. Each requires managerial skill. What is managerial skills? Managerial skills means the ability to make business decisions and lead subordinates within a company. Some of managerial skills are discussed as under. There are so many managerial skills required to managers. It includes conceptual skills, human relation skills, technical skills, communication skills, administrative skills, leadership skills, problem solving skills, and last one is decision making skills. These are the skills required to managers while doing a business or taking a decision regarding a business. First one is conceptual skills. Conceptual skill is required to top level management. It is the ability to understand concepts, develop ideas, and implement strategy. It helps the manager to identify causes of the problem. Hence, top level management requires conceptual skill. Next, human relation skills. Human relation skill is also called as interpersonal skill. It is the ability to interact with the people, to work done with the help of the people. It helps to managers to develop team spirit. While doing a business, you have to maintain good relationship with the all employees. Hence, human relation skill is required. It is required to all levels of management: top level management, middle level management, first line management, or bottom level management. Next one is technical skill. Technical skill is required to lower level managers or first line manager. Technical skill include knowledge and proficiency in specialized field. Hence, first line management or bottom level management requires technical skill because they are related to production. Next one is communication skill. Communication is most important aspect of management. It is required equally at all level of management. A manager must be able to communicate plan and policies with the subordinates. He must be listen and solve the problem of worker. The manager encourage free flow of communication in the organization. If the managers encourages free flow of communication in the organization, the worker can communicate easily with the superior. So communication is most important aspect of the management. Next, administrative skill. Administrative skill is required to top level of management. The top level managers should know how to make plan and policies to get the work done. They should have the ability to communicate with the people or employee time to time. Sometimes the manager should give motivation to the employee, and motivation is the part and parcel of the administration, because if the motivation is high of employee, the employee can do better job in the organization. Next, leadership skill. Leadership skill is the ability to influence human behavior. Hence, leadership is required in the organization. It is required to get work done with the people. With the help of the people, we have to work. We have to coordinate all the activities of the business. So leadership is required. Leadership skill is required in the organization. Hence, leadership skill is required to top level management. So, hence, leadership skill is required to all levels of managers. Solving skills. It is also called as design skills. The manager should know how to identify problem, and he also know that how to solve the problem. So it requires intelligence, experience, and up-to-date knowledge regarding the business or activities. Decision making skills. Decision making skill is required to all levels of management, and it is required more at top level management. A manager must be able to take quick and correct decision regarding the activities, and the success or failure of a manager depends upon the correctness of his decisions. These are the skills required to all levels of managers. The degree of these skills required to all levels of management is different. Top level management needs to have more conceptual skills, and and bottom level management requires more technical skill. Hence, requirement of skill is different in all levels. Thank you.